Hello students, starting with a new chapter, fraction. Children, do you know what does fraction means? Fraction means dividing the object into equal parts. So let us see what does fraction means, how does fraction look, and what are the different names of fractions. Okay? Page number 78 in your maths textbook. See, children, there is a gawa. When something is divided into equal parts, each of the part is half of that thing. Okay? So, when any object or a part is divided into equal parts, each part is half of that object. So for example, see, there is a gawa. When you cut it into equal part, it becomes half. So this is the half part of gawa. Then there is an apple. You can see an apple. When this is a whole apple, okay, but when you cut it into equal half, you will get two parts, and two parts are half of an apple. So let us see, this is an apple, this is the one part of the apple. When you cut it into half, you will get one part and two parts. So this is the concept of part. This is the whole apple, okay, whole apple. When the object is not cut, it is a whole part, but when you cut it, you get half part. Okay, half. This is the half part. Okay, so one part, this is one part, and these are half part. So we write 1 upon 2. Okay, so whole and half. 1 and a half. See, 1, and when you cut the apple, you will get half part. Okay, see, similarly, this is the whole watermelon. Okay, पूरा watermelon है. अगर उसको आप कट करोगे two parts में, so you will get half. Okay, one watermelon is divided into two equal parts, so each part is one half. Okay, so there are two halves. Okay, one half and two half. Okay, children, so you have to remember the word whole, half. Okay, and one is complete one object, and half is 1 upon 2 of that object. Okay, how we fold the paper? If there is one foolscap paper, we fold it into equal parts, and then we cut it from between, so you will get two parts. No, now color a half of each of the pictures given below. So let us color a half of each of the picture given below. See, I am going to ask this type of questions in your exam, so kindly practice all these sums properly. See, I am coloring the half part. Okay, half part. What is, see, I can color this way also. Okay, or we can color anyway. Standing also you can color it half part, and sleeping also half part. Okay, kindly use your crayons. See, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are how many parts? 4 parts, right? How many parts are there, children? There are 4 parts. So we will color two parts, 1 and 2. Right, children? See, you can do this way also. You can color. See, there are 4 parts. So 1 and 2. You can color 2 parts, because we are going to color the half picture. Or simply just color 2 parts. Just color 2 parts. Okay. Now, a line has been drawn in each of the figures given below. Put a tick mark under the figures which get divided into 2 equal parts by that line. Now, children, see, there is this rectangle box. They have just put line here, right? See, you can see a black line over here. Is this dividing the rectangle into equal parts? No. So this is not dividing. Then this line in the circle, is it dividing the circle into equal parts? No. So it is not dividing. Then this triangle, yes, it is dividing the triangle into equal parts. So what you will do, you will put tick mark. Then this square, but yes, it is diagonally dividing the square. So yes, you can put tick mark. Then this triangle, but this is not dividing. See, this portion is greater and this portion is smaller. Okay, it should divide the triangle into equal parts. Understood? Now let us learn about quarter. What does a quarter mean, children? As you can see, there is this square. Salma, Nandu, Soni, Tony, come here, all of you. I have a large sheet of kite paper. Each of you use it to make a kite for yourself. It means that we will have to make 4 equal parts of that paper, because how many children are there? 4 children are there. So 4 equal parts. Nandu, I will make 4 equal pieces. Excellent. Each of this part is a quarter of big sheet of a paper. See, there is a big sheet of a paper. So they are going to make 4 equal parts. So that, see, when you divide the thing into 4 equal parts, a quarter part. So this is quarter part. Okay, there are 4 quarters. Okay, quarter. Quarter means 4 parts. Okay, a quarter part. One part is known as quarter part. Okay, this is the quarter part. Okay, when something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the part is a quarter of that thing. See, understood? Observe the pictures below to understand. Observe the pictures below to understand the meaning of quarter. A whole cucumber, a quarter of a cucumber. See, this is a full cucumber and this is the quarter part of the cucumber, means 1/4 part. Okay, children? Quarter means 1/4 part. See, there are 4 parts, but we are just talking about one part. Okay, so this cucumber is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is just this part. Okay, a whole watermelon. See, this is a whole watermelon, but when we cut this watermelon into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So we are talking about just one part. Okay, a whole cake. Whole means full cake. Okay, and when we cut into 4 pieces. For example, this is the whole cake. For example, this is the whole cake. Now I divide or I cut into 4 parts, and I'm just giving one part. So that one part is called as quarter part. It's called as quarter part. Understood? See, a whole, a half, and a quarter. A whole, half, and a quarter. I want you all to write this in your maths. Draw this diagram in your maths notebook. Okay? A whole, a half, and a quarter. Please write this in. Please draw this in your maths notebook. Copy this in your maths notebook. Okay? This much. And learn the names of the parts. If we divide a half into halves again, we get 2 quarters. We have seen already that when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, we get quarter parts. If we put 2 quarters together, we get half. Similarly, if we put 4 quarters, we will get whole. So I want you to copy this in your maths notebook. Okay, please copy this in your maths notebook with a diagram. See, again I have tried to explain you with example. This is the whole part when we have not divided. Okay, it is as it is. Then we cut into 2 equal half. Okay, so 1 half, 2 equal parts, so each part is a half. This is known as half. Okay, and when we divide the same watermelon, see, whole, half, and quarter. So this is quarter part. Okay, this is 4 equal parts are quarter part. 4 equal parts quarter part. Okay, quarter. Understood? See, quarter. There are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Per each part is known as quarter part. Now, color a quarter part of each picture given below. So, let us count first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the quarter part of this? Quarter part, 1/4 part, no? Okay, this is the quarter part. Now let us count how many parts this circle has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Color a quarter part of each picture below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 parts. Okay. So if there are 8 parts, here the quarter part is 2 parts. Okay, we will color 2 parts because when we divide 8 into 4 parts, you will get 2 parts. So 2 part is the quarter part. Now let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 4 parts. So you will color the quarter part. So this is the quarter part. Okay, one part is the quarter part. Now let us see the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Similarly, 8 means 2 parts you are going to color, because then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again you will color 2 parts. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the quarter part is this part. Okay. Simple. See children, here the shape is different. So what you will do, first you will color this part, okay, then the second shape. Okay. Now in each of the pictures below, lines have been drawn to divide the picture into 4 parts. If a figure is divided into 4 equal parts, put a tick and mark under it. If not, put a cross. Easy. See, it is divided into 4 equal parts. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this circle is also divided into 4 equal parts. Is this rectangle divided into 4 equal parts? No. See, the middle part is big and the all parts are of unequal. It's not divided into equal parts. So this is cross. Again, this square is divided into 4 equal parts. This triangle is also no, it is not divided into 4 equal parts. It is divided into 4 equal parts. Sorry children, I have done one mistake. This circle is also not divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, because these parts are smaller. This is divided into 4 equal parts and this is also divided into 4 equal parts. Okay.